be asking you about the hemispheres, the equators, night and day. At the end, you can ask any questions. First, James will be saying some facts about the Earth.
Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is the only planet in the solar system to have water in its three states of matter: as a solid, ice; as a liquid, sea, rain, etc., and as a gas, cloud. Earth's moon is called Luna. Earth is mostly made out of iron and nickel. Earth is almost 5 billion years old, although life has only existed for the last 150 million to 200 million years. This means that life has only been present for 5% to 10% of the Earth's lifetime. Earth and Mercury are the two most dense planets. This means that their particles are the most tightly packed together. Earth is gradually slowing down every few years. Extra time is added up for the time that has been lost. Millions of years ago, a day on Earth will have only lasted 20 hours. It's believed that in millions of years' time, a day on Earth will be 27 hours long. The centre of the Earth's core is molten. This means that it is liquid rock, which sometimes erupts on the surface through volcanic eruptions. This core is 7,500 degrees hotter than the surface of the Sun. Earth is the only planet in the solar system to be named after a mythical. Earth is the only planet not to be named after a mythical god. Despite being called Earth, only 29% of the Earth is actual Earth. The rest of the planet's surface is 71% made of water. From a distance, Earth would be the brightest of the 9 planets. This is because sunlight is reflected by the planet's water. Earth is the only planet in the solar system known to be geologically active, with earthquakes and volcanoes forming landscape, replenishing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and erasing impact craters from meteors. Next, Karan Sangha will be talking to you about the hemispheres.
Hemispheres. The northern hemisphere. When the Earth is tilted to the side at one time of the year, the northern hemisphere has winter. The southern. When the Earth is tilted to the same side, the southern hemisphere has summer. When in the northern hemisphere, when it is winter, in the southern hemisphere is summer. In the northern hemisphere, when it is spring, in the southern hemisphere it is autumn. When summer is in the northern hemisphere, winter is in the southern hemisphere, and when it is autumn, it is in the northern hemisphere, and in the southern hemisphere it is spring. Now, Will Stewart will be talking to you about night and day.
The equator is an invisible line.
The equator is an invisible line that runs between the northern and southern hemispheres. The equator has 2 other lines running around it called the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Here is the axis which runs through the middle of the Earth, and you can see the Tropic of Cancer, the Tropic of Capricorn, and the equator. Now we'll be talking to you about night and day.
Night and day. Night is when the side of the Earth you are on is facing away from the sun. Day is when the side of the Earth you are on is facing towards the sun. This means that when it is the day in England, it is the night in Australia.
Conclusion. The Earth is an amazing place to live and is also very interesting to research. I hope you liked our PowerPoint on Earth.
Any questions?